Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 10th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So this morning I was talking about if we get a break or something to the downside, I would go back to look at the source, but otherwise definitely longs. We did have a little bit of a pullback, probably better visible on a little bit of a shorter time frame. Nice little entry to go long right there. I think we need to go up to at least the 61 to the 78% Fibonacci retracement from the daily. We're almost to the 50 right here. So unless we get a break of structure to the downside, which right now is right here, I definitely would look for longs. Possibly it could pull back again, but as long as it makes a higher lows, higher highs on this 1 to 2 hour time frame, we're definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback we see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.